Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cryodos Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Gopi, and today we have a special guest with us, May, who is a maintenance management and IoT expert. Welcome, May.
Thank you, Gopi. It's a pleasure to be here.
Today, we're diving into the topic of measuring key performance indicators with CMMS software. May, KPI play a crucial role in measuring the effectiveness and efficiency of maintenance operations. How can CMMS software help in this regard?
Absolutely, Gopi. CMMS software can be a game changer when it comes to measuring and monitoring KPIs. It provides a centralized platform to track and analyze various maintenance-related data, enabling organizations to make data-driven decisions. With CMMS software, you can establish, track, and report on KPI that align with your maintenance goals.
That sounds powerful, May. Can you give us some examples of KPI that can be measured using CMMS software?
Of course, Gopi. Some common KPIs that can be measured using CMMS software include equipment uptime, mean time between failures, mean time to repair, maintenance costs, work order completion rates, and inventory turnover. These KPIs provide insights into the reliability, productivity, and efficiency of maintenance operations.
That's fascinating. How does CMMS software gather and analyze data to generate these KPIs?
CMMS software collects data from various sources, such as work orders, equipment sensors, maintenance logs, and inventory records. It then organizes and analyzes this data to generate reports and visualizations that help in assessing performance against defined KPIs. This data-driven approach allows maintenance managers to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement.
So, May, once the KPIs are measured, how can organizations leverage this information to improve their maintenance processes?
Excellent question, Gopi. The insights derived from CMMS-generated KPIs can be used to identify areas for optimization, set realistic maintenance goals, and improve decision-making. For example, if the MTBF is consistently low for a particular piece of equipment, it might indicate a need for preventive maintenance or even equipment replacement. Similarly, analyzing maintenance costs can highlight opportunities for cost reduction or better allocation of resources.
That's really valuable information. May. Now, in terms of implementation, what are some best practices organizations should consider when using CMMS software to measure KPIs?
Implementing CMMS software effectively requires proper planning and execution. First and foremost, organizations need to define their maintenance goals and KPIs clearly. They should also ensure that the CMMS software is properly configured to capture the necessary data. Training the maintenance staff on using the software and analyzing KPI reports is crucial as well. Additionally, it's essential to regularly review and update the KPIs to align with evolving maintenance strategies and business objectives.
Those are some great tips, May. As we wrap up our conversation, could you share your thoughts on the future of measuring KPIs with CMMS software? Are there any emerging trends or advancements we should keep an eye on?
Absolutely, Gopi. One exciting trend is the integration of CMMS software with IoT devices and predictive analytics. This allows organizations to collect real-time equipment data, analyze it, and predict maintenance needs accurately. Furthermore, advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning can enhance the capabilities of CMM's IMS software by providing more accurate insights and even enabling predictive maintenance strategies.
That sounds incredibly promising, May. The future of maintenance management seems to be driven by data and technology. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today.
It was my pleasure, Gopi. I'm glad I could contribute to the discussion. Thank you for having me.
And thank you, our listeners, for tuning into this episode of Cryodos Maintenance Management. We hope you found it informative and gained valuable insights into measuring KPIs with CMMS software. Stay tuned for more exciting topics in the future. Until then, take care and keep exploring.